payroll clients that utilize the Sage Employee Self-Service module, they will typically publish check stubs to the Employee Self-Service for employees to view. If, for whatever reason, when they're processing payroll, that publishing step is missed or interrupted, for whatever reason, the publishing of the check stubs doesn't occur, there is a way to update that in ESS post the payroll process. To do that from the client machine, you'll go into the File Explorer, typically your Windows drive. This is the typical installation. Program Files 86, Sage HRMS client. I typically sort by this for the executables here. And what we're looking for is this convert check data.exe. It's the executable that's going to convert our check data and publish it to ESS. If we double click on that or right click and run as administrator, you will have to use the master user password. I'm going to type mine in. You'll have to use yours for your system, and then you just click login. Once that occurs, you're going to pick the employer that you want to run this payroll process for to republish the checks or publish the checks. And then you're going to choose the date range of the check dates. So you could do multiple ones at a time, depending on what you want to do. If this is historical data that we're populating, you may do months. Now, if you're doing one, you can just do that one check date range. Conversion type, we're going to republish to ESS, and it's going to convert and default to both. And then you simply convert, let it run. It may take some time depending on your database size, number of employees, that type of information, but let it run completely, and then all of those check stubs will be published to ESS.